So circular or top closures are sometimes very rare to find, but this is actually the technique to actually attaching one to a wig, especially a wig that is wavy or straight hair and you're not using a lace closure. You're actually going to be creating this wig into what we call a bang style wig, but you do want to sew in a circle like in the pattern that you'll be learning throughout this course of how to sew the tracks onto the wig. But you're going to be going into a circle all the way until you can get it into the actual size of the circular closure, and I'll show you in just a second what that closure looks like. Here it is. This is the top closure. It's called a circular closure. It's barely $2 at a beauty supply store, but this is what it looks like. It's just a circular piece. It's not very long in length, but it does hide very well. And you see that it has that nice little mesh. I do have videos to teach you how to make these, and that will be a bonus round for it. But all you have to do is sew them to the actual track, not the cap. So you're taking the edges of the top closure and you're going in a circle again, attaching it only to the track of the hair. So that's why it's important that you make sure that that opening, once you're finished in the circular pattern, is large enough for the top closure to be attached to the wig. Well, specifically to the tracks. And once you're done and you're at the end, it is going to cover those tracks that you've sewn the closure to nice and even. It's going to make the top of your wig flat, and this is the idea that you want to have when it comes to making wigs using straight or wavy hair.